will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Dreamlink app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Dreamlink app, or just click on search, then here at DLS24, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Just click on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click on Play Store, then you search for Dreamlink app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here a bridge, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.